This basket is by Jonathan Black. As you can see, it's a ceremonial design. And then on the outside, he's worked in these deer. In Navajo, the word for deer is B, B-I-I-H, and the two I's go into an E sound. But in the old culture, he was telling me a story about the old medicine men, how they would actually get on the trail of a deer and just take off after it and just track it for days. A deer will stay in a particular area out here, I guess, and so if you stay on their trail and just keep after them day and night, you'll wear them out. And the medicine men had to have a buckskin, a ceremonial buckskin that didn't have a hole in it. It hadn't been shot with a bullet. And so they would actually track these deer down and then eventually just wear them completely out. And then they would suffocate the deer and then bring that last breath the deer would take, they would breathe that life in. And so it was a sacred way of taking the life of an animal, but taking that life on yourself. And it was a symbol of respect and honor to the deer. So it was a really neat story, and I've heard it before by different people. But Jonathan shared it with us, and here he's doing a tribute to the deer in this modified ceremonial basket. Very well woven. Jonathan's exceptional weaver. He does a super even stitch, a small weave, and excellent symmetry and design.